la kubhala ukuthi 406,417 H/s isipidi sokumayinwa Bitcoin noma crypto. In this case, i-crypto engiyimayinayo ibizwa ngokuthi i-Hashcoin. So uma ubuka kule list le khona i-Hashcoin, kube i-Toncoin eyaziwa nge-Ton, kube i-Doge okuyi-Dogecoin, i-BTC eyi-Bitcoin, i-ETH okuyi-Ethereum, POL okuyi-Polygon, i-SOL Solana, TRX i-Tron, BNB okuyi-Binance Coin. So lana uyakhetha ukuthi iyiphi i-crypto ofuna ukuyimayina, then musukhethile-ke ubusuyi-selector-ke. So bubuka laphayana ezansi eduze kwe-wallet, i-wallet ingala ka-right khona lo 849 HSH, shooting nama-Hashcoin awu-849, which is equivalent to 0.84 US$. So if I make u-0.84 US$ a day, in 10 days ngenza 8.4 US$. But ukuze ukwazi ukwenza lawo madola angako kufuneka ukuthi uwenza ama-subscription. Njengoba ubona nje lapha la kunyakaza khona ngino 52.5K oku-52,500 hash per second over 3 months, uzo-expire mhla 28 March 2026. Kulandela u-27.5K wona o-6 months, bese kuba u-55K o-12 months, 52.5K 3 months, 26.25K o-3 months, 110K o-6 months, 27.5K o-12 months, and finally 55K o-6 months. So mwahlanganisa wonke lama subscriptions akhipha approximately 405K kh per second. So this looks like a promising way of mining Bitcoin, and I've been with the company ebizwa ngo-City Pool for more than a year. Ngizonikhombisa nje mangabe sengene kwi-NC wallet la engitransfer khona engisuke ngimayine la ku-City Pool app.